after the Key 200.4 came out, we discovered that we needed a little bit more processing power. With the new vehicles on the road, OEMs are putting in all-pass filters. They're sometimes adding in time delay to these vehicles. You can access the different listening position settings inside the car. For example, the new Cadillac AKG, Cadillac Escalade with the AKG system, you've got the driver's listening, passenger listening position, all passengers listening position, and it can add or remove time delay based on what listening position you decide to select. It's kind of crazy what the OEMs are doing in these new cars, but we can't just throw a Key 200.4 in these vehicles and let it do its thing, because some of these vehicles might already have time delay present. They might have all pass filters present, which could throw off the way that the amplifier perceives the equalization. It can mess with the tuning in all sorts of different ways. So our answer to that was the Key LOC, and this is a basically line output converter with different version of the Key software built in. So instead of using a microphone to analyze the incoming audio system, it just analyzes that audio signal on its own without the use of a microphone. So your audio is coming in here, its computer is reading via pink noise and other test tones what the frequency response looks like, and then it's making any calculations internally to reach a completely flat frequency response without any time delay, without any all-pass filters. It gives you a blank slate to start with, so that when you're doing these audio systems in newer vehicles with more processing, now you know where you're starting from every single time. You don't have to worry about fighting with the factory system because the KEYLOC does all of that for you.